back, everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing this 3-set of USB-A to USB-C adapters. The USB-A are males and the USB-Cs are females. As you can see, if I hold these up close, these have black tabs on them, and black tabs are the standard for super high speed transmission. So these things are able to put through about 1 gigabyte worth of data if you use the right cables surrounding it. The only thing to be careful of, I mean, this is really nice if you have a bunch of USB-C cables around and all you have are USB-A ports on your computer. These 3 things will allow you to convert them all. But if your goal is to run HDMI or VGA video signals through your cables into your computer, having these in the line will stop it. These are not wired to handle HDMI or VGA video signals. So I think that's an important distinction. They don't really point that out in the listing, but it is true nonetheless. I think these things are great. I tested them. They are very fast. They're very handy. And for a 3-pack, they were priced dirt cheap. I think they were like $6, something like that. So only $2 a piece. You really can't go wrong for something that's that high speed. I would give these a 5-star rating and recommend them to anybody who wants to convert a USB-A to a USB-C.